Hey y'all! For this DIY project, you're going to need ribbon, a hot glue gun, clips, scissors, brooch backs, and an insect pendant. Step 1 is to glue the ribbons together. I used a hot glue gun to do this as opposed to like E6000 glue because I'm sure you know E6000 takes hours to dry, and with the hot glue gun it dries instantly as soon as you put the ribbons together, and that way I can move on to the next step instantly with no wait time in between. Now, as far as ribbon info goes, I am so sorry you guys. I dropped the ball and did not get the size of the ribbons used. I actually went to a craft store in downtown LA and got these off a spool. I got 2 yards each because I do my DIYs for the first time on camera, so just in case I made a mistake, I went with the 2 yards. And while I got 2 yards, I definitely didn't need 2 yards. I only used about 18 inches, maybe 24 inches of ribbon. And because I didn't have any scissors, or I couldn't find my scissors, I just used an X-Acto knife to clip off the end. After you cut your ribbon down to size, you're going to measure out your bow. Something to keep in mind though when you're making the bow is this is going to be a brooch, so try not to make it too big. Now, after your bow is formed, you should have about a 12-inch tail. Go ahead and cut that off with your scissors, or in my case, X-Acto knife. After the tail is gone, we're going to put the bow back together and glue it down this time. Now, the clips that you see me using are the exact clips that I was talking about in the materials needed. Honestly, just whatever you have around the house. Hair clips, potato bag clips, I ended up using both. I just needed something small but still strong enough to hold it together. I used it to hold together after it was glued. While I was gluing, I even used it to direct me on where to put the glue. These clips were so clutch, definitely necessary. And just glue one side at a time. Super easy, super simple. And I really cannot stress enough how much the hot glue gun, the instant dry, really made this project so much easier. I am so glad that I went with the hot glue over E6000 because, honey, with E6000 this would have taken hours. With the hot glue gun, this took me 20 minutes. You can put your bow to the side for now. We're gonna tackle that tail, and we're just cutting it in half. Honestly, this would be so much easier with scissors. I just couldn't find mine, so the X-Acto knife parts can be scissor parts for y'all. After you cut your strips, make sure you like them, review them, make sure they're the right size. And when you're placing them, make sure you place them at an angle because that's what's gonna give it its really tied ribbon look. And once again, the clips are coming in the clutch, just so I can, review and make sure I really like how it looks. And it really is coming all together. And like I said, I used it to guide me on where to glue. I cannot, once again, get these clips if you do this DIY. I couldn't have done it without the clips, y'all. I really couldn't have. You're gonna use the hot glue gun to glue it down. Now, while I could have actually tied the ribbon, I thought it would be easier and make it lay flatter to just do it in pieces like this, and I actually really like it this way. Once your strips are glued on the back, you're going to use your clutch clips, because that's what I'm calling them. You're going to use your clutch clips to hold it all in place. Like I said, it dries instantly, but I used these to just kind of really make sure they were tight together because there was a lot of layers. Next, we're going to use our pendant, our little insect pendant. I think this little doodlebug is so cute. Now, I know in Gucci they use a bee, but I couldn't find a bee. Same with why I used the navy blue as opposed to the hunter green that's really associated with Gucci. Just ease and convenience, girl. Ease and convenience. Now I have my little baby love come in and do this part for me because my nails are so long. I could not get close enough to the ribbon with the little doodlebug in my hand to lay it flat. I just did not trust myself, so I let her take over this part. Doesn't it look so good? I love this. Okay, and now I'm using the little brooch backs. They do come with a sticky back already, a peel off sticky back, but I don't know, I just wanted a little more security, so I went ahead and used hot glue gun on the brooch back as well. Lay it down right in the middle. I used the red strip as a guide. press down, and like I said, you know, hot glue dries instantly. Bada boom, bada bam. There it is, y'all. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. I think it looks so good. Comment down below if you like it, if you try it, tag me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Love y'all. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.